In 2020, Seagull released a pilot watch, a limited edition one, total 1,000 pieces to commemorate the 60th anniversary of the first ever reaching the summit of Mount Everest via North Ridge. And for that, Mount Everest was engraved on the back case. The size of the dial is 41. The luminescent hands and numbers make the time so easy to read even at night. And the retro watch band is 21 cm, and the oversized screw-down crown. It allows the time to be adjusted even when you are wearing gloves. And the water resistance step goes to 100 meters. And here is the most important feature that separates this watch from others. The magnetized 316L stainless steel. Seagull used these materials on this watch to weaken magnetic effect to the watch. As you all know, magnetic fields are the most common factors negatively affecting the accuracy of a watch. Think about how often we were surrounded by metals, phones, computers, cars, and all that. In other words, it is a wonderful timepiece that should go into your collections, because Mount Everest is the tallest peak in the world and no seagulls can climb that high. But this one did, the first ever climb the top of the world.